And then as our first opening into this more reverent space, I invite Felix Marcial to give us our reading this morning.
"'Tis the set of the sail," a poem by Ella Wheeler's Wilcox. "But to every mind there opens a way and a way and a way. A high soul climbs the highway, and the low soul gropes the low. And in between, on the misty flats, the rest drift to and fro. But to every man there opens a highway and a low, and every mind decides the way the soul should go. One ship sails east and another west. By the self-safe winds that blow, 'tis the set of the sails, and not the gales, that tells the way we go. Like the winds of the sea are the ways of time, as we journey along through life. 'Tis the set of the soul that determines the goal, and not the calm or the strife.